Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and in today's video I'm going to try digital art for the very first time. And for today's drawing I'm going to use the Wacom Intuos Tablet, which is the cheapest Wacom tablet you can get. It has a tablet and a drawing pen inside. I wanted to try digital drawing for a very long time now. I have seen so many good artists using tablets to draw digitally and they make such good drawings out of these. So I'm really excited to use it for the very first time, and for today's drawing I'm going to be drawing myself as an anime character in anime version, which I have already drawn in my YouTube sketchbook. Yes, I have already prepared my sketch for coloring and inking it digitally. I'm going to use this sketch as a base to further ink and color it digitally, which later on is going to become my new profile picture and channel banner. That is also one of the main reasons why I wanted to try and do digital drawing. But to use this I had to first learn basics of digital drawing and the basics of the software. I think the sketch turned out really good and I am really happy with it, so let's hope we do a good job in inking and coloring too. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And our first digital drawing is complete. I am so happy with the end result. I did not expect this at all at my first attempt at this. Although I do feel there is a lot of scope to draw even better digitally. After learning and practicing more with this tablet and getting used to the software and the tools in it, it was really challenging to learn the software from scratch and learning the basics at least. And it took me quite a lot of time to learn basics and getting used to the software and the tools in it. I used only 2 to 3 brushes for this drawing, and I think I could improve a lot at this, but I really loved the process, and it was so much fun because there was so much of independence while I was drawing. I didn't have to worry about anything because there was so much of flexibility while coloring or while inking. I could choose whatever color I wanted to before settling down to one color. So basically there are so many options, so many tools and so much of independence while drawing digitally. I enjoyed the whole process of drawing my very first digital drawing and I'm really happy with the end result, and I think this is going to look really good as my new profile picture, and this is also going to be in my new cover banner. And I hope you enjoyed this video too. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. What do you think about my first digital drawing? If you have any tips for me, please share it down below in comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then subscribe for more awesome art related videos, art challenges and more. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.